Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do a French rope twist braid, which is actually a fairly easy braid to do once you get the hang of it. First thing I'm going to do is take two pieces of hair at the front of her hair, and I'm going to start by twisting them to the right. You always are going to be twisting to the right. Then I'm going to cross the left side over twice. Next, I'm going to pick up hair like I was doing a French braid and add it to one side, and then I'm going to pick up hair from the other side and add it to my other twist. Once I get my hair added, I'm going to continue to twist to the right and cross the pieces over once again. And then I'm going to pick up more hair. Every time you add more hair, you're going to twist your pieces to the right, both of them. And then you'll cross them over with the right side going over top first. So I'm picking up more pieces. I'm going to twist my strands to the right. And then I will cross them over with the right side going on top again. As I go down, I'm constantly twisting them to the right. If you don't twist the hair, it's not going to get that full effect of the rope twist that you're wanting. So every time you add hair, just twist the strands to the right and then cross them over. So I'm just going to add in hair till I get this front section added, and then I will just be doing a regular rope twist the rest of the way. So every time I'm adding in sections, I'm just twisting the hair to the right, and then I will cross that right strand over top, and then continue to twist them to the right and cross them over each other. I'm going to do this until I get it down quite a ways, and then I'm going to clip it in place. But even when I'm doing this part, I'm always crossing them over the right and twisting to the right as well. Next, I'm going to get all of the remaining hair. I'm going to put some spray gel in, and I'm going to put it in a low side ponytail. So I'll just brush that out, smooth it out, and I decided that I was going to wait and add in my rope twist. So I'm just doing the ponytail piece here. And then after I get the ponytail piece in place, I'll just set my rope on top of it and add it in with just a little clear elastic. And it did kind of come out a little bit from my clip, so I'm just going to twist it up a bit before I add it in to my low ponytail. Now, if you were in a rush, you could stop here, just add a bow and call it a day. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue doing my rope twist down to the bottom. So before I do that, I'm just going to add a little bit of spray gel. That way, I won't have any flyaways sticking out and it'll just look a lot nicer. So divide your remaining hair into two sections, twist all of the hair to the right, and cross it over with the right strand on top, just like you were doing up top. And I will keep twisting until I start getting a lot of flyaways at the bottom, and then I'll just tie it off with another clear elastic. And I think to finish it off, you need to add a bow to the middle section. So I'm going to be adding a big red bow because this is our style for gymnastics for the day. I hope you guys like this style. If you did, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe. We post new tutorials 2 times a week.